Hi everybody, I'm Dave, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 4K dash cam. It's a 4K front dash cam and a 1080p rear camera, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then I want to get right into the footage from this camera, because the main thing you want to know when you're looking at a camera, in my opinion, is the features and the image quality. So we're going to get into that, and I'll show you guys some footage from this camera so you can make a decision to whether or not this camera might be right for you. Okay, here it is from Befumly, the dash cam front and rear. You have 4K ultra clear recording, night vision, 170-degree wide angle, and a G-Sense. Okay, and here is everything that comes in the box for the Befumly front and rear dash cam. This is 4K dash cam right here. It comes with the card in there, 32 gigabyte. There is your rear camera plug-in right there. You have a microphone, reset button. Your power is USB-C cord, which is right here. Plugs into your lighter and powers into that camera. This is your mount to mount it to the windshield. I like the suction cup mount because it's going to make it easier if you want to remove the camera. And I test various cameras, so that's good for me to take that out easy. This is the rear camera. Take it out. This is the mount for the rear camera, the adhesive mount. That goes on right there. Or it's an extra adhesive mount because there's already one on here. And there's your power cord, USB power cord. And this is a USB to USB-C data cable. So you can plug this, bring this in and plug it into your computer and get your footage off of it. Or you can take the card out, of course, and put that into a card reader and get your footage off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. I'm going to go take a little drive and show you guys what this footage looks like. Here's a look at the screen. I have the rear camera on my dashboard, and I just stuck it there just so we could see what the footage looked like, because I didn't get a chance to hook it up in the back yet. So this camera has a lot of features to offer for a very affordable price. You guys saw the footage, so you be the judge if it's worth it for you or not. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and I will catch you again soon. Bye-bye.